Welcome to iIntelligence. Today's topic is shortcut keys used in Microsoft Office, especially in Excel. Let us see different shortcuts. When you use shortcut keys, it makes your work efficient, simple, and easy to use. Let us see 15 basic commonly used shortcuts. Thank you, friends.
Let us see how to use shortcut keys. Okay, now first copy. How to use copy? For copy, normally what we do is, if I want to copy this column, I used to right click, then go for copy, then I will paste it here. Again right click, then paste it. So several processes there in order to copy. So instead of avoiding that several stages, what we can do is we can easily copy it in a single stretch using shortcut keys. Just select what are the cells to be copied, then press Ctrl and C. Then you go there and paste it. That too, pasting also we can do it as Ctrl B. So Ctrl C, Ctrl plus C. That will leads to copy. Then second paste is Ctrl plus V. Okay. So we can use control key plus C key to copy and control plus V key to paste. Right? Very simple. See here, control C, now control V. That's all. Okay, very easy. Next is cut. How to use cut? Suppose 1 minute, I'm deleting this unnecessary data. Okay, suppose I want to cut it. Cut it in the sense this rows I do not want. Normally what I do is I used to right click it, then go for cut. Then I used to bring it down, then paste it. So this is the process of removing or cutting off or scissoring off. Now instead of doing this, what I can do in shortcut method is I can select this, all the cells which I need to cut by means of shortcut key. That is press Ctrl and X. That's all. Very easy. Okay. So this is a technique to use shortcut key for Ctrl plus X. Cut key. Cut. Using cut. So copy, paste, cut. Next is moving cursor to right. Then moving cursor to left. How to do it easily? 1 minute. Moving cursor to left. Wait a minute. So moving cursor to left. So my cursor is here in this cell. Suppose I want to move it there. I need to individually I need to place it like this. Right. Instead of doing that, we can use tab key. you click once, it will move to the next cell. Similarly, it will go to the next cell. So here you can use tab key. Suppose after moving the tab key, you want to bring it back. That is moving cursor to left. In that sense, you can use shift and tab key. Right? So this is the shortcut. Shift plus tab key. Okay, this is another important shortcut. Next is comment. How to use comment shortcut? Right. So in order to use comment, see, normally what we do is we have to right click again, new comments like that you need to add. So instead of doing that, straight away you can go to the particular cell, right? Then you can press shift and F2. Then you can start entering the comment. For example, senior level, so something. Then you can just enter. Right? So here comment has been added. So that means shift plus F2. Shift plus F2. Let me check once. Shift F2. Right. So shift plus F2 is the shortcut key for commanding. Now let me add a table in the form of shortcuts. Suppose I want to add a table for these columns. How to use shortcut to create table? Very easy. Just go to Control and L. This will be generated, created. Then click OK. Excellent. Good table has been created. Okay. So that means shortcut for table is Control plus L. 1 minute. Let me check. Yes, correct. So this is the technique for how to use shortcut for creating a table. Right. Then now you can go to the next shortcut, that is the format. How to use format? Suppose I want to format this. What I have to do, normally what we do is we have to go to right click, then we will go for number format. Instead of doing this, straight away what we can do is just select the particular cell. In order to use shortcut key, press Control 1. That's all. The format pop-up will come out immediately. Okay. So anywhere, whatever the cells you want to format, just press it. Then press Control 1. So let us note it here. Control plus 1. Okay. Then how to save it? Let us use capital letters. Okay, how to save it? Normally, if you want to save any document, we go to File, then Save As. So all this we do. Okay. Instead of doing that, what we can do is Just only press Control plus S. S is for save. See, Control and S. It will lead to saving of the entire document, and it will go for, if you have not already, this is all, it's I am using it online, so automatically it will save to the drive, right? Last save just now. So if you are using in the desktop application, once you give Control plus S, it will lead to save as, where to save, either it will ask for you, ask you, okay? So that is the process of shortcut for save. Now next is open. How to open a document? Shortcut key for open a document. That is very simple. Control plus O. O for open. Suppose if I click here, Control plus O, it is starts opening. Right? This document pop up. That is Control plus O. If I give. Okay. This is how to use open shortcut key. Now close. How to use close is, you just enter Control plus W. That is window close. So suppose this document is open. In case if you click Control and W, this will close. The entire thing will get closed. Just try it. It will work out. Next is how to fix time. Use shortcut to enter time. Suppose I want to mention here time. What I have to do is, I have to press Control, Shift and colon. That's all. This is AM. Okay. Now below, so let me note down the shortcut. Control, Shift, colon. Control plus Shift plus, sorry, this column. Okay. So this is shortcut key for getting the time. Now in order to get, in order to enter the date below, what we have to do is press Control and colon, not double colon, colon. Here in time you have to press double colon. Here only colon. Okay. So automatically date will be displayed. So here Control plus colon. Okay. Now how to undo. Suppose I have entered here some, okay, if I press Control Z, that's all, gone. Again Control Z, that's gone. So undo is Control plus Z. Okay. Then redo. The redo shortcut is Control plus Y. Try this Control plus Y. It will, whatever you do, it will do redo. Okay. These are the various shortcuts that can be used. Okay. These are the 15 most commonly used shortcuts. These are the 15 most commonly used shortcuts. 1 minute. Let me make it bigger. So in order to copy, Control plus C, paste, Control plus V, then cut, Control plus X, moving cursor to right, can use tab, moving cursor to left, Shift plus tab, using comment, Shift plus F2, using table, Control plus L, format, Control plus 1, save, Control plus S, open, Control plus O, close, Control plus W, time, setting up time, Control plus Shift plus double colon, date, entering date, Control plus colon, undo, Control plus Z, redo, Control plus Y. So these are the various shortcuts which can be used in Microsoft Office, especially Excel. Thank you, friends. Thank you.